Hi everyone, today I am here with the unboxing and try-on of two men's shirts from the Hermes summer, or I should say spring-summer 2023 collection. One of them is a long sleeve shirt with some really cool ocean details. The second one is more of a plain color polo shirt. So let's get to it. Okay, so this shirt here is the Polo shirt. It's white with lime green yellowish stripe here on the buttoned area, as well as at the very bottom of the shirt. Interesting thing is at the bottom you have a little drawstring here that you can actually use to loosen and tighten the shirt as well. It's something I haven't really seen too much of. And there's just that on the one side. This shirt is made in France and is 100% cotton. And I had some trouble finding it. It is actually called the Hermes Polo MC. I'll give you a picture of the tag right here. It comes in a few different colors. I chose this one because it didn't have too much in white and did like the green. There is also a gray, and I think it's gray and brown and black and white versions of this as well. With the first primary color I said being the color of the shirt, the second color being the color of the accent stripe here and at the bottom. And as I said, this is a short sleeve shirt. I am typically a size 40 in Hermes, and I believe these run true to size, but we'll find out in a few minutes once I try these on. So that is the first shirt. It is not available as of today on the Hermes online site, but you can order them from other flagship stores in the United States, and also find it on some of the international sites. Okay, and this shirt retails for $740 in the US as of April 2023. And you do get an extra button here as well. This next shirt is the long sleeve, blue, as you can see, with ocean details. We have lobsters, turtles, seahorses, starfish, octopus. I think that's all of them, all the different ones. So pretty cool, pretty fun. Something, again, a little bit different. Fully buttoned shirt all the way down to the bottom. Button on the sleeve as well with the Clou de Selle, the Hermes famous Clou de Selle right there on each sleeve. This shirt, again, is not online, at least in the US. It is called the Hermes Ajusté Col Souple sous l'Ocean. Apologies for my butchered French. It's color 66 blue pale. Again, I got that in size 40. And you do also get an extra button as well. Like the short sleeve shirt, this one is also 100% cotton and made in France. So let me go try these on. I'll be back in a moment. All right, so here I am with the short sleeve shirt. So as you can see, it is a little bit, it's not fitted, it's more of a straight cut, almost like a little bit of a boxy style as well. So there is a little bit of room, but it's not too much. I feel if I were to go definitely up a size to 41, it would be too big, down a size to 39. It might be a little bit tighter, and the length might be a little bit shorter, so that's why I went with size 40. Definitely feels nice, much like you would expect from a 100% cotton shirt, lightweight, breathable, definitely appropriate for spring and summer. And I am looking forward to wearing this in some of our outdoor outings soon. All right, here I am in the long sleeve shirt, again size 40. much like my other Hermes shirts, fits a little bit tighter than the straight cut polo shirt I was just trying on. Feels like I would expect, definitely true to size. Really love the seafood detail, ocean detail I should say too. My mind's on food right now. Really different, feels really good. Probably will get the sleeves tailored a little bit like I have with my other shirts, because they are a little bit long, but not too bad. And definitely looking forward to wearing this at some more formal occasions. And yeah, really happy with my choices, and like I said earlier, looking forward to wearing these. In the US, as of April 2023, this shirt I'm wearing retails for $840, and the white shirt I was wearing earlier, short sleeve one, retails for $740. Thanks for watching. As always, please feel free to leave any questions and comments below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. See you next time.